Hello, hello everyone. I am Jyotirmoy. Today we will learn about phase modulation, which is the important chapter of digital communication. So today I will teach working principle of phase modulation receiver and block diagram. So I am starting now. Phase modulation receiver and block diagram and working. So let's talk a little about what I will teach today. Content. What we will teach today about phase modulation is it working principle, block diagram, and how to use it. So content. First introduction theory. How does a PM receiver work? Application of PM receiver, advantage of PM receiver, disadvantage of phase modulation, uh, block diagram, phase modulation receiver block diagram, working, features of PM receiver used, working configuration. So I am starting with introduction first. Introduction. A PM receiver or phase modulation receiver is a device used to receiving and demodulated signal that have been modulated using phase shifting or frequency modulation. The receiver works by detection change in the phase or frequency of the incoming signal and converting them into an audio or digital signal that can be processed and mm, interpreted by other device. The purpose of PM receiver is to enable communication between two or more devices over a distance by using modulation techniques to encode information onto a carrier signal. The signal can travel features and with less interface than and the unmodulated signal. PM receiver are commonly used in radio communication. Or navigation system and scientific research. So then I will starting the uh, next part. PM receiver have all the same parts as and the FM receiver export for the third step. Uh, the steps are there. So I am starting the next topic, theory, that is wavefront, modulation wavefront. Uh, Blue is the modulating the carrier, modulating the wave approach blue, and carrier wave red, and PM signal, resulting PM signal at green. So next start, that's a theory. So the modulating signal could be the mt সমান cos omega ct plus h omega mt. So next topic. How does a PM receiver work? A PM receiver works by receiving electromagnetic signal throat and the antenna. Those signals are then amplified and the filtering to remove any unwanted noise and interface. The signal is then mixed or with a local oscillator signal, which products an intermediate frequency signal. This intermediate frequency signal is the demodulated to receiver the original information signal. The processing of the demodulation involves um, extracting the modulating signal from the carrier wave. This can be done using the various techniques which as the envelope detection, synchronous detection or phase locking loop detection. Once the modulating signal is extended, it can be future processing and the detection of the receiver the original message. Next topic, application of PM receiver. PM receiver have uh, wide range or application across various have PM receiver have the wide range of the application across the various in direction, industry, and the radio communication. They are used receiving and demodulated signal from the radio station. Always of the listened or our other favorite radio program negatively system such as the GPS also they all PM receiver to accordingly determine the location of and the orbital of the person. Uh, Application of PM receiver. Advantage of PM receiver. Advantage. Important topic. Advantage of PM receiver. One of the key advantage PM receiver is their ability to handle work signal. This is the particular important is application such as radio communication and negative system, where the signal stage can vary widely dependent distance between the transmitted receiving system. Advantage of PM receiver and then disadvantage of PM receiver. This system costs are quite expensive. That is the disadvantage of PM receiver. And then block diagram. First antenna, RF amplifier, mixer, band pass filter, demodulator, low pass filter, amplifier, and output. Phase modulation receiver block diagram. First antenna, that is the phase modulation receiver block diagram. Working. How is it work? Working principle. First antenna RF fronted, local oscillator LO, local oscillator LO, uh, mixer, then band pass filter, demodulation, phase detection, then low pass filter and output. Features of PM receiver. PM receiver is an extending one and advancement and the development that have the potential to uh, get a advancement and the development that can the potential or the revolution various in the industry six, the area that said is beneficial PM receiver, GPS and also PM receiver use phase modulation Wi-Fi, GSM, satellite traffic. That's PM receiver use and working also. Thank you. Thank you everyone. This is the end of today. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like. Please also share. Thank you everyone.